and gentlemen.
Let's go. Prism Draft 23-24. Draft picks going down. I'll get the team rundown here. Pet Shop Boys. Trailblazers going to Joseph Sakurada. Suns, Greg Esperanza. Bulls, Chucky Willie. Nets, Florent Benazet. Pistons, Chucky Willie. Lakers, Francisco Munoz. Jazz, James Callender. Timberwolves, Paul Vang. Nuggets, John Myers. Cavs, Florent Benazet. Clips, Paul Vang. Grizzlies, Wayne McCready. Wizards, John Myers. Warriors, Paul Vang. Raptors, Paul Vang. Pelicans, Joseph Sakurada. Celtics, Greg Esperanza. Magic, Chucky Willie. Rockets, Florent Benazet. Bucks, Chucky Willie. Mavericks, Francisco Munoz. Thunder, James Callender. Kings, Paul Vang. Hornets, John Myers. Pacers, Florent Benazet. 76ers, Paul Vang. Heat, Wayne McCready. Spurs, John Myers. Congrats. First break, brother. Hawks, Paul Vang. Knicks, Paul Vang. Let's go. We are live. I'm going to get a link posted in the break post for everybody. Good luck, guys. Can't wait. Excited for you, John. Good luck, buddy. Send you the message right now with the link. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go.
All right, let's go, baby.
What if they don't, Little John? What if they don't have a team? If they're undrafted, I don't know. Let's go, guys. Good luck. Prism Draft, 4 autos per box. Should be exciting. Just got brand new Flux in too as well. If anyone wants to do a single box break, $2.20 a box, ripped and shipped tonight. Let's go. Flux is one of those dangerous hobby products where you can hit something huge. Their inserts are amazing. Love them. Let's go, guys. We got some more fire that you desire coming right up. Go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'm going to take you guys on a big jet plane. Let's go. What is it? 4 packs per box here. Good luck, guys. All guys that are undrafted, any autos or hits or parallels for any guys that are undrafted will go into randomizer for one person. So all 15 spots will get randomized, and top spot will win any undrafted rookies or autos that are not assigned to any team per checklist. Starting off the bat with a guy who had a 30-point performance in his season debut last night after missing almost the whole season with a shin injury last year. Cade Cunningham, 30 points last night. Still lost, but hey. Should be noted. Cade, silver, baby, for the Pistons. Starting out, we got a blue here. We're going to save that for last. Try to anyways. We got, what is it? We still got 4 autos. We got 4 autos anyway. Evan Mobley, Shaq, Nick Smith Jr. All hits will ship. Rookies, inserts, parallels. Bang! Marcus Sasser. Donovan Klingen, rookie. So again, all rookies hits will ship. Bet base will not ship. Marcus Sasser. Draft picked autos. Let's see where that's going. Grizzlies traded to the Pistons. That is Detroit Pistons. Going with that Cade Cunningham, baby. Nice hit. Omaha, Bailu. Silver. Amen Thompson. There we go. Houston Rockets, baby. Bang. Especially with Kevin Porter Jr. gone now. Bang. That is a monster. That's not Mojo. That is, God, what is that? I don't know. Still tight, though. Larry Bird, Steph Curry, Eva Bauman, Ben Shepherd. That's sweet. Keegan Murray. No, Chris Murray. Here we go. Next hit, guys. It is Camera. And that's gone to the Phoenix Suns. Phoenix Suns, guys. Can't pronounce it. Toumani Camara. Going to the Phoenix Suns, the number 52 pick. I'll write that down just so I don't fucking forget. Let's go. Suns. Bang. Suns are on the board. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We still got 2 more autos to go in this box. Timmy Allen, rookie. Silver there. Nice hit. Bryce Sensabaugh, rookie. Prism. That's going to the Utah Jazz, ladies and gentlemen, guys. What's up, pal? Utah Jazz. Go. Next up here. Oh, is this Hakeem? It is. Rockets. Bang. Number to 149, Hakeem Olajuwon. Nice purple cracked ice. Here we go. Mojo, guys. Oh, wow. Taylor Hendricks. Mojo to 25. Taylor Hendricks. Bang. Utah Jazz, number 9 pick. Top 10 pick, guys. Mojo, baby. Bang. Like the way I dance. Crazy ever since it went down. Let's go. Scoot Henderson. Bang. Trailblazers. Jerry West. Tristan Vukovic. That you go find out. Let's go. What's up, pal? New 8-box break posted, as well as Flux brand new hobby box. $220 a box if you guys want to rip it and ship it tonight. Somebody wants to split it between the two. I'm all game. Let's go. Somebody wants to even split it with me, I'm down. I'll rip one. Let's go, guys. Good luck. Eugene, hit me up, baby. Here we go. Purple cracked ice. Jaden Ivey for the Pistons. Number to 149. 2 things that you gonna find out. Let's go. Bang. 8-box break posted. LSU. KJ Williams. Let's go! KJ Williams. That's auto number 3. Akeem Silver now for the Rockets. Wow. Scotty Barnes, Raptors, Mojo, or that's not Mojo, gosh, geez, is that Flash Prism, is that what it's called? Zion! Bang, that's numbered, I think, to 199. 299, excuse me, Zion now for the Pels. Nice hit. Just dominating last night, too. Let's go. Ausar Thompson now. Nice hit. Here we go, Blue Wave. Non-numbered Kevin Durant. Sick. Phoenix Suns. Bang. That's an awesome card. Love it. Go, guys. We still got a hit back here as well. Nick Smith Jr., Mojave King, Ewing, Trey Young, Payson Wallace now. Kobe Buffkin. Here we go. Dexter Dennis, college penmanship. As I said, any non-drafted rookie auto will be placed in a randomizer between all 15 spots. Top spot will get all. So if he's undrafted and it's an auto, it's going into the randomizer. KJ Williams, Dexter Dennis. Don't see him on the list. All right, let's go, guys. Seth Lundy. And here we go, Jerry West for the Los Angeles Lakers, and Ausar Thompson silver widescreen, baby. Nice. Tonight. What's up, Francisco, baby? Come on, the tape. Let's go. Jerry West, number to 99. Down in flames, just like Jesse James. Let's go, baby. Nick Smith Jr., nice brilliance rookie too there. Love it. Chasing that that Wemby silver, guys. Last box. Let's go. Mojo already to 25 for Taylor Hendricks, Utah Jazz. Amen Thompson, gosh, what is that called? Prism Wave or can't even remember now. Gosh, they've added so many colors. 4 packs per box. Again, Flux is up $220 a box, brand new release. If anybody wants to get down, you can rip that box tonight. Otherwise, I got 8 boxes of Spectra T-Mall on tap. Cade Cunningham, who just had 30 points. Jalen Green, rookie class. Scotty Barnes. Great rookie class to jump in now before they jump. Again, Cade had a whole year off last year with a shin issue, so he wasn't even playing. And last night he comes out and drops 30. So go down in flames. Let's go, Kobe Jones, Jaylen Brown, Dariq Whitehead, Benedict Mathurin, Keontae George. That's a wide one. Here we go, North Carolina, Antoine Jameson, baby. That will probably go to Golden State. Double check that one. His longest tenured team he'll go to. Trace Jackson Davis, bang, silver. There we go. Let's hit something nasty, guys. Good luck. Let's go, baby. Jalen Williams. This guy's a stud. The Thunder. Jarace Walker. There we go, baby. There we go. Houston traded to the Pacers. Indiana. There you go. Nice hit. Scoot Henderson, Trailblazers. Again, 8 boxes up right now. Spectra, T-Ball, Cade Cunningham, rookie year, Jalen Green. Like I said, Cade just dropped 30 last night. Let's go. Purple, Kyrie Irving for the Mavericks. That is numbered to 75. What's up, Stan the Man? Yeah. Roll back out. Let's go. Timmy Allen, rookie for the Texas Longhorns. Let's go. Like I said, any undrafted rookie autos will be randomized. So far, it looks like we might have 3. Undrafted rookie autos will be randomized between 1 spot. Good luck, baby. Chris Murray now from Iowa. Silver. Bang. Brady Crockett. Gabe Kalshner. Russell Westbrook Blue Wave. That'll go to the Clippers. And give money. Let's go, baby. Let's make it. Grady Dick. Kansas Fireworks. First one we've seen of those. Let's go, guys. Del Curry, baby. City, Kiosko, Bilal. We haven't seen a Wemby yet. It's life. Oh my God, we got 4 hits in a row, it looks like. Dylan Mitchell, widescreen. Ricky Council, rookie. Terraquavian Smith. You so vicious. So delicious. Kyrie Irving, Duke. Ha! Look at that damn face. Let's go again. Oh, Adam Flagler. That is number 2 to 149, baby. Get money. Get money. Let's go. Ben Shepherd silver. Asur Thompson now. I can't remember what that is called for the life of me. Please, somebody help me out. Oliver Maxine Prosper. Zion Williamson Fearless silver for the Pelicans now. Bang. This is sick because that numbered in 149. Purple Ice. All right, here we go, guys. Last chance to dance. Bang. Looks like we got 1 hit left. Adam Sanago. And here we go. Draft picks. Justin Edwards silver. Let's see where he's gone. I can't find him. Damn. Silver, that's a sick ass card right there, bro. So much money. Let's go! 8 boxes. Spectra. 31 a spot. 10 spots are gonna get a random bonus team. Paolo Banchero, now Hyper. It's a Hyper Prism, that's what it's called. Just came to me. Bradley Beal, newest member of the Phoenix Suns. That'll go to the Suns, former Florida Gator. Let's go, guys. Thanks again so much. Again, Flux, 220. You want to rip it tonight? If you're in this break, I'll take a deal, give you $10 off. 210. You want to rip a box? Let's go. Solid break. No Wembies, though. Again, any undrafted rookie autos will be put into a random spot for between all 15 spots. Top spot will win. Thank you guys so much. Mojo, we hit 25. Ahmed Thompson. Cade Silver dropped 30 last night. Don't sleep on the 8-box break. Spectra, it's going down. Up the juice. Let's go. All right, guys. Peace out. See you next time. Can you call